Welcome to Rohingya English Learning YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel.
Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to the Rohingya English Learning channel. This is me, Dildar Begum. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories and lessons. Today, I have a tearful yet hilarious tale to share with you. This story takes place in Butidong High School No. 1 in Butidong Township, Rakhine State, Myanmar. It's about two students, Tufail Ahmed, a good-natured Rohingya boy, and Tin Mang Kyo, a mischievous Rakhine student who always tries to pick fights with Tufail. In our school, there was a boy named Tufail Ahmed. He was kind-hearted, always willing to help others, and excelled in his studies. But Tufail had a constant thorn in his side, Tin Mang Kyo. Tin Mang was known for his bad temper and was always looking for trouble, especially with Tufail. One sunny afternoon, during our lunch break, Tin Mang decided it was a perfect time to cause some chaos. He saw Tufail sitting under a tree, reading a book. Tin Mang sneaked up behind him, snatched the book, and started taunting him. "Hey, bookworm! Think you can get away from me today?" Tin sneered, holding the book just out of Tufail's reach. Tufail sighed, trying to stay calm. "Please, Tin Mang. Just give me my book back. I don't want any trouble." But Tin Mang wasn't having it. He pushed Tufail, who stumbled but managed to keep his balance. Suddenly, a loud noise came from above, a branch snapped, and a bird's nest fell right on Tin. The sight was both shocking and funny. Tin stood there, covered in twigs and feathers, looking like a human scarecrow. Everyone burst into laughter, including Tufail, who couldn't help but giggle at the sight. Tin Mang, embarrassed and angry, threw the book at Tufail and stormed off. But that wasn't the end of it. The next day, Tin Mang decided to take revenge. He brought a bag full of itching powder to school. During gym class, he sneaked into the locker room and sprinkled the powder all over Tufail's clothes. When Tufail came back, he changed into his gym clothes, unaware of the prank. As soon as he started exercising, he began to itch uncontrollably. His face turned red, and he scratched like there was no tomorrow. The whole class watched in confusion, and then laughter erupted when they realized what had happened. Tufail, trying to maintain his dignity, calmly walked to the washroom to clean up. But Tin Mang's laughter was cut short when the gym teacher, Mr. Menom, found out about the prank. Tin Mang was given detention for a week and had to clean the gym every day. Despite all these antics, something remarkable happened. One day, Tin Mang found himself in a difficult situation. He had forgotten his homework and was sure to get in trouble. To everyone's surprise, Tufail offered to help him. Tufail shared his notes and even helped Tin Mang complete the assignment. Tin Mang was taken aback by Tufail's kindness, especially after all the trouble he had caused. From that day on, Tin Mang's attitude began to change. He started respecting Tufail and even apologized for his behavior. They eventually became friends, showing everyone that even the hardest hearts can change with a little kindness. So, dear viewers, the moral of this story is to always be kind, no matter how others treat you. You never know when your kindness might turn an enemy into a friend. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I hope it brought a smile to your face. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Rohingya English Learning channel, for more stories and lessons. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.